So my blower motor quit working last night, and I kind of had been expecting that to happen for a while, and it finally conked out on me. And when I turn it on, obviously there's power and there's nothing coming out. And last night it did work only on high, but not all the time, just whenever it decided to work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a new resistor and a new blower motor in right now and see if that corrects the problem. So the first thing you're going to need is a 7mm socket. There's one bolt here, there's one bolt here, and there's another over here that's probably optional as to whether you need to take that one off or not. And I probably will not do that. Again, this is for a 2013 Chevrolet Avalanche. Be the same for a Tahoe, Suburban, GMC, Yukon. All right, I got those two bolts loose. We're gonna pull this down and out of the way, and I don't need to take that third one out, I don't think. The resistor is right here, so I'm gonna unbolt that, and then I'll show you how to get the fan out, which is right there as well. First of all, we're gonna unclip these and get those out. All right, the socket size for this is 7/32. There's one in the back, which I've already removed, and then there's one here, and then the resistor will come right out. There you have the resistor. Got the old resistor out, and the new resistor is here. And it's a perfect match. Moving back over here, we're going to take this bolt right here loose, and there's one behind it. So looks like they're both 7/32 as well. I'm going to remove that piece first, right there. I'll show you. Good look at it. This cord's in the way. Wires. They're going to take that out. There's one right there, and then one behind it. We'll pop both of those off. So we got that out of the way, and now what I've got to do is find the tab on this side over here and pull it down, get it out of the way, and then this is going to rotate to right here, and the motor should come right out. So let's see what happens. The tab pulled down, motor turned. Yep. Pull that back off of there. Let's biden it up, and the motor comes right out. And to unplug this, you're gonna push in on this tab right here. Once you push that in, this will come right out. At this point, come over here and check out the new fan. Yep, perfect match. Pull the cardboard off, and I'm gonna plug all this stuff up and test run it before I put this back in there. I'm gonna plug the plugs back into the new resistor. That's the front one and the back one. We're gonna plug the fan up. I'll flip that over. Get that plugged in. All right, let's test it out and see if our work was for naught or if it fixed it. Turn the switch on, and we're gonna go right here. We're gonna turn the power on, and we're gonna see, yeah. Yep. There we go. All the speeds are working. All right, let's get this thing plugged back up in there. This tab right here, when you first put it back up in there, goes right here. Make sure this is flush up against it, and you slide it this way. It'll hit right there and stop, and that's where it needs to be. And again, don't forget to put this back on. I'm gonna put that back on and show you where it goes, just where it came off of. Goes in right there. That front bolt goes in right there. And the back bolt goes in likewise. All right, got that piece back up in. Everything's put together. Cover back in there. Get these screwed up in here. It's fired up. Going. So that's how you put in a new blower motor and a new resistor in a 2013 Avalanche, and I probably did it in less than 15 minutes, and quite honestly it was the first time I'd ever done it. So you can do this too.